Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. And today I am so happy because I'm gonna talk about my collection. Yes, holiday collection. I have so much sets to show you and tell you about prices, and of course you wanna see them, right? Okay, grab a coffee, glass of wine or water, and let's start. I'm gonna start my video with this beautiful collection mini lipstick. First of all, look at these beautiful packages in silver tones. We have a big letters. It says MAC here. It feels very luxury. It's not feel cheap. It feels amazing. And we have here nude colors. We have a red colors. 12 lipstick for $89, but value for this set it's $180. It's almost $100. You have a savings here. And of course, let me bring you a little bit close. I want you to see this. Yes, gorgeous. When I opened this set, it's actually a little makeup bag. I love this, so pretty. It have a zipper. I will probably use this for my brushes. To me it's perfect size, but look at this lipstick inside. How cute they are. Beautiful, so beautiful. And again, you have a neutral colors. You do have amazing bold color. Yeah, let's see this color. Ooh, it's pretty purple. It's pretty purple right here. Again, this is its lipstick collection. I think it will be perfect for a little gift. And I personally, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna split, and I'm gonna share with my friends. Okay, I have another lip set for you. Yes, we have here 5 full-size lipstick, and this is Frosted Kiss luster glass lipstick. Again, we have 5 here. It's a beautiful again box mark. So I really like how looks this, but let me open and show you how this collection looks inside, because to me this is the most excited item from collection. I'm opening for you because look at this. Can you see this? Can you see this? How beautiful this is. I know, like, every woman will love this as a present. It's snowflakes. Again, we have a 5 lipstick here. They are beautiful lip colors. Of course, you need to come to Nordstrom Tampa and check it out colors for this. I also prepared another video for you how to use some lip colors, how to use eyeshadow. And if you want me to make another video you think I should do, please let me know. Again, look at this. It's beautiful. Lipstick, it's good, but I think we're ready for something else, right? Brush set. Again, beautiful brush set. Beautiful made makeup bag. And of course, look at these beautiful cute brushes. This is brushes I will say will be perfect for your travel or to give to somebody else who just start learn about makeup. I personally really like this brush. It's amazing like a buffer brush. This is how we'll name. Good for foundation, for cream blush. This is brush you can use for bronze, for blush, and this is its double-ended brush. This is its perfect to put this little bit liner or eyeshadow underneath, and I love this. I love this. Okay, I'm lying to you. I like these two brushes. I love this brush. It's perfect brush for foundation. I love this. And this one I like for blending or smudge. And this one is good for eyeliner. This one maybe for eye for concealer, a little bit stuff for me, but again, for if you traveling, you need traveling size. It's beautiful, and again, it's coming with beautiful makeup bag and price. We have 5 brushes here, girls. $55. You basically paying 4 bag and for 5 brushes $10. It's a pretty good, even less than $10. It's a very good price. And now I'm jumping to eyeshadow. Yes, we have with you three eyeshadow palettes. This is it's your big one eyeshadow palette. We have with you here 12 eyeshadows. It's named Snowbody Business, I believe, and of course I feel like I need to make a video specific for this palette, and I promise you it's coming. Just give me please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Love you more than ice cream. And should I do some gift giveaway? If you think about I should do gift giveaway, just comments below. Say, Katerina, make happen. Give us something. Love you more than ice cream. Okay, this is palette, $54. Again, beautiful 12 eyeshadows. I love packages. Beautiful silver undertone packages, like a frosty monogram. I don't know even how to describe it in English. To me, it's beautiful and gorgeous and silver and sparkles. Sorry, I'm from Ukraine original. I'm still learning English. But let's jump to colors. We have a big mirror here, but look at these colors. It's very hard to find navy, blue eyeshadow and gray. It's a palette. I'm gonna own this. I'm gonna buy this because it's so hard to find these colors. Let me show you close to you these colors, because I truly want you to see how gorgeous these colors. I already play with this palette. Yes, I already play, I already try, and I really like it. When I look palette, I'm like, I'm not sure if I like this quality, but when I start working, ooh, some colors in here, not just pigment, really pigment. And then let me show you this beautiful MAC mascara set. We have 2 different mascaras here. Every woman needs mascara, right? Now I have another lip set for you. Yes, it's a Power Snow Power Kiss lip kit. Pink, and we have a brown. We have 2 sets here with you. $44. You have full-size lip liner, lipstick, lip liner, and another. It's like this one. It's also, to me, it's like very velvety liquid lipstick. This is how I will describe it, and it's coming in a beautiful this metallic soft bag. I actually really like this. I love this. And again, price point $44. If you pay separate, it's $77. beautiful presentation for the box, very festive, holiday looking. I knew a lot of people wrapping this. I will not even wrap. It's just so beautiful. Then I have another beautiful set. We have here 2 eyeshadow, we have full-size mascara, and we do have eyeliner, and we even have here makeup bag too. And material remind me, believe me not, like Chanel tweed collection. Yes, it's like a tweed material, very pretty, like a silvery sparkly. It says MAC here. It feels really good. This is set $49. If you pay separate, it's $76. I personally, I'm opening right now for you. I really like this eyeshadow. We have only 2 colors here, but it's beautiful. We have like a green khaki and gold color here. And let me show you close. Now I'm gonna show you this incredible skincare set. It's $60, but if you pay separate, it's almost $100. You have one for your home and another one, it's perfect for your travel. We have this, it's a great hydrating serum. If you want your makeup look good, you need to use skincare, and this is its perfect one. I have more items to show you. Another 2 eyeshadow palettes. They kind of like mini one. One it's like a gold and brown. I will show you a little bit more closes. And another we have like here looks like a burgundy, more like I will say warm palette and cool palette. And let me show you how this eyeshadow looks inside. And again, if you want me to make a video, you want me to teach you how to use this beautiful eyeshadow, just let me know and I will make video just for you. This one I will say it's a brown undertone. We have a brown, we have peachy, we have metallic, we have matte eyeshadows here, and its name Cabin Fever. Beautiful eyeshadow palette. If you want me to make a video how to use this eyeshadow palette, again, please let me know. I will. Of course, let me show you these colors close to you. You can see how beautiful these colors. And look at how spectacular, so beautiful this packaging. I love this packaging. So festive, so luxurious. And now let me show you the second palette. It's Sparkle Storm. Again, look at these colors. We have a beautiful, like a snow blue color. I love this color a lot, and this one. This collection have a lot of mini items for stockings. It's perfect. We have here lip gloss. We have here lipstick. It's a mini collection, $19. Oh, we have here three lipstick here, and they $25. You pay separate, this is $45. Still, again, lots of products. Ooh, and we have a very something special, really something big. If you want me to make video for my calendar, yeah, which one I believe like $200 or $220, please let me know, and I will buy this huge Mac calendar, and I will make a video, and maybe I even share with you. Love you more than ice cream. Again, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for comments. I appreciate it. And I hope you like any of these items. I will link below all these products. And remember, it's gonna come from Nordstrom. It's free shipping. But if you're buying a lot, let me know, because I will send to you separate beautiful gift from Nordstrom. Okay? Love you, everybody. Happy holiday. Ho ho, Merry Christmas.